Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Anton News. Kubleye pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Ka result secondary school living certificate SSLC Arajar Arpsau. Balapin bena da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos jengka art stream. Karkum kani ka result jengka class 12 u menang man krau khar kongor jengka St Anthony's High Secondary School ulawan ha ka kerdan ka beningkong ha ka baula yo khur saus pa andru phopra marks. Ugarav Bharali ulayo ya kaju ka kedan ka beningkong jengka school St Edmund High Secondary School haba ulayo khur saus pa andru phopra marks. Ya kekedan ba a layo da katani shadas na ka school Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura. Kalayo ban khur saus pa san phui marks. Ha kekedan balai layo da ka sai seng marang na ka school Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura kalayo ban khur saus pa san phui marks. Ha kekedan basaw layo da ka Nas Bashar jong ka St Mary Higher Secondary School kalayo ban khur saus pa lai phui marks. Ha kekedan basan layo do hami krau bok har shiying jong ka St Edmund High Secondary School ha kaba ulayo ban khur saus pa arf khundai marks. Kekedan kaba Hendriu layo do John Venny Lingdo jong ka St John Bosco Boys High Secondary School Chiraponji ha kaba ulakhur saus pa arf nyo marks. Kekedan bahnyo layo do Frederick Gannett Rinklem jong ka School North Liberty High Secondary School Mukerdub Jawai ha ka ba ula khur saus pa arfn marks. Ha ka kedan ba pra ki don laingut kata I Remika Estadhar jong school Laban Bengali Girls High Secondary School ilayo ban khur saus pa arfsan marks. Ikerman lang nongrum jong ka Village Darbar High Secondary School swear ilayo ban khur saus pa arfsan marks. Badi ipin bha shisha nongbri jong ka Auxilium Girls High Secondary School ilayo ban khur saus pa arfosan marks. Bar ki bakhendai ki don saungur kita ki dei Sephania Banphi Ralang Nongbri jong ka school St Anthony's High Secondary School balayo khur saus pa arfulai marks. Risala naki lalu jong ka St Anthony's High Secondary School balayo khur saus pa arfulai marks. Emi Hay Sakiru El Thobru jong ka St Edmunds High Secondary School balayo khur saus pa arfulai marks. But Isneha Ghosh jong ka St Mary's High Secondary School balayo khur saus pa arfulai marks. But kekedan bashipho layo deki Mon Kin Jailin Singkon jong ka St Dominic High Secondary School Mau Kendeng balayo khur saus pa arfu marks.
What do I think about the CVT? It's pretty good to hone my general skills, I guess, because the general test covers a lot of languages, so I get to understand where I fall behind, I guess, because it's been a while since I've done general thinking stuff and mathematics, so now that I see that, I guess I can improve on those fields as well.
Well, with the coming...
Can you repeat that?
I
think that's very good, because there are subjects that I want to take that I haven't gotten the chance to yet. So I'm glad that there'll be students in the future who get to be more open about what they want to do and stuff. That's nice.
After the earlier success, now we are back here again to taste one more success. So how do you feel about the arts performance of the students?
I've been told long back that St Edmund's High Secondary School has always had good results in arts. So today we are very happy and proud that our students have done well. We also got to know that it's 100% results. So all students have passed. So it's a great moment for us in St Edmund's High Secondary School, a great moment for our teachers who work tirelessly, giving individual attention to students who need the attention. Congratulations to all other staff members who are working over here. And congratulations to our students who worked hard, not just before the exam, but during the course of the 2 years that they have been here. And these students who stand out today, who have got positions, are students who have made a mark for themselves in the school. I know them, I've interacted with them, And from my own side, I have given them all the support and encouragement that they needed. And today I feel very proud that they have reached this stage in their life where they are position holders.
The first, fifth, and ninth, how do you rate them in studies?
Gaurav has been a very good student. I'm sure all the teachers would share my opinion. He has also taken part in a lot of co-curricular activities, especially debate. He has won prizes for the school in inter-school debates. Hame has also been a very good student. He has been a class prefect and he has worked very hard through the year. So these students have been extremely good in their own ways. It's also the work of the student. How does the student apply himself or herself, taking a liking to different subjects and working hard at those subjects. So it's the work of the students also that we must give credit to.